Let's start to learn parts of body. This is face. This is head. This is head. This is shoulder. This is shoulder. This is knee. This is knee. This is toe. This is toe. These are eyes. These are eyes. This is nose. Nose. This is mouth. This is mouth. This is lip. This is lip. This is chin. This is chin. These are teeth. These are teeth. This is tongue. Tongue. These are cheeks. These are cheeks. This is neck. This is neck. These are hairs. These are hairs. This is ear. This is ear. This is arm. This is arm. This is elbow. Elbow. This is wrist. This is wrist. This is hand. This is my hand. This is finger. This is my finger. This is stomach. Stomach. These are legs. Legs. This is ankle. Ankle. This is my foot. Foot. This is nail. This is nail. Tiger. This is tiger. Lion. This is lion. Wolf. This is wolf. Camel. This is camel. Bear. This is bear. Cow. This is cow. Monkey. This is monkey. Donkey. This is donkey. Crocodile. This is crocodile. Cat. This is cat. Dog. This is dog. Rabbit. This is rabbit. Frog. This is frog. Pig. Kangaroo. This is kangaroo. Gorilla. This is gorilla. Panda. This is panda. Squirrel. This is squirrel. Bull. This is bull. Horse. This animal name is horse. Elephant. This is elephant. Zebra. This is zebra. Goat. This is goat. Yak. This animal name is yak. Mouse. This is mouse.
Let's start to learn counting. Z-E-R-O. Zero. O-N-E. One dog. T-W-O. Two parrots. 1, 2. T-H-R-E-E. Three ducks. 1, 2, 3. F-O-U-R. Four apples. 1, 2, 3, 4. F-I-V-E. Five lions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. S-I-X. Six pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. S-E-V-E-N. Seven balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. E-I-G-H-T. Eight monkeys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. N-I-N-E. Nine flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. T-E-N. Ten strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Let's start to learn. Alphabets. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for frog. G for goat. H for horse. I for iron. J for juice. K for kite. L for lamp. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for piranha. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for telephone. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yoke. Z for zebra.
Hello students, today we are learning about adjectives and opposites. So let's start the video. Good, bad, big, small, happy, sad, sleep, awake, stand, sit, young, old, together, alone, black, white, in, out, same, different, attack, defend, active, lazy, back, front, near, distance, cute, ugly, brave, afraid, fast, slow, come, go, sister, brother, father, mother, day, night, outside, inside, more, less, strong, weak, man, woman, thin, fat, hot, cold, turn on, turn off, husband, wife, open, close, tall, short, pass, fail, comedy, drama, dark, light, angel, devil, king, queen, ask, answer, poor, rich, right, wrong, easy, difficult, hard, soft, build, destroy, love, hate, run, walk, speak, listen, give, take, boy, girl. Let's start to learn fruits name. Apple, mango, banana, pineapple, grapes, apricot, strawberry, cherry, kiwi, dragon fruit, pomegranate, grapes, watermelon, orange, melon, papaya, lemon, pears, lychee, guava, lime, blackberry, coconut, custard apple, plum, olives, fig, grapefruit, raspberries. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Line. This is line. Monkey. This is monkey. Zebra. This is zebra. This is panda. This is panda. Tiger. This is tiger. This is an elephant. This is an elephant. This is pig. This is pig. Cat. This is a cat. This is donkey. This is donkey. This is bear. This is bear. is kangaroo. This is kangaroo. This is camel. This is camel. The camel is walking on the desert. This is deer. This is deer. The deers are running on the grass. This is wolf. This is wolf. The wolf is standing on the snow. This is dolphin. Wow, the dolphins are playing together. Penguin. This is penguin. These penguins are enjoying the weather. This is gorilla. The gorilla is eating an apple. This is squirrel. Wow, the squirrel is eating food. This is frog. The frog is sitting the branch of the tree. Giraffe. This is giraffe. The giraffe is walking on the road. Swan. These swans are enjoying the weather. Sea lion. This is sea lion. Ostrich. This is ostrich. The ostrich is walking and search. This is koala. This is koala. The koalas are looking good together. Lizard. This is lizard. The lizard is sitting. Flamingo. This is flamingo. The flamingos are playing together. This is dinosaur. These are dinosaurs. They are looking very dangerous. This is snake. The snake is lying on the leaf. Hyena. This is hyena. This is cheetah. This is cow. The cow is eating grass. This is sheep. This is sheep. The sheep are running together. Oh wow, they are looking very awesome. This is goat. The goat is standing behind the tree. Crocodile. This is crocodile. The crocodile is sleeping as for now. This is horse. This is horse. The horse is enjoying the weather and fun together. Today we are learning about 100 plus animals name with their pictures. Lion, leopards, tiger, jaguar, cheetah, hyena, puma, fox, wolf, maned wolf, black panther, snow leopard, armadillo, aardvark, panda, rhinoceros, ape, hamster, beaver, coati, boar, capybara, deer, reindeer, springbok, ibex, fennec fox, coyote, oryx, lychee, echidnas, hedgehog, otter, giant otter, Komodo dragon, koala, honey badger, giant anteater, kangaroo, hippopotamus, great bilby, loris, klipspring, lemur, mandrill, lynx, marmot, skunk, marten, mongoose, okapi, nombat, muskox, pangolin, opossum, serval, raccoon, raccoon dog, Patagonian Mara, dog, porcupine, wombat, red panda, red river hog, sloth, warthog, tapir, sifaka, Tasmanian devil, vicuna, bear, polar bear, Arctic fox, Arctic wolf, lizard, basilisk lizard, bat, flying fox, elephant, giraffe, gorilla, dinosaur, monkey, chimpanzee, chameleon, iguana, hare, rabbit, crocodile, water dragon, mouse, rat, toad, frog, walrus, pig, mole, leech, eagle, spider, wild dog, zebra, centipede, millipede, scorpion, skink, snail, snack, Nile monitor,